Hello everyone, this is my Launch Grader OBD2 scanner, and I bought this adapter from Temu. Look at the adapters with my OBD reader. We are going to test here on the DLC of Honda Click version 3. As a mechanic, I need this one for checking my customers Honda Click by computers. Okay, scanning. For example, like checking the check engine, deleting the trouble codes. Let's see if this one is compatible. This is for the DLC. Red one, plug in, switch on. Okay, switch on. You see, my Launch Grader is working. Also, this adapter from Temu. Okay, I hope it will work better. Okay, this adapter seems to be so tight. I hope it's only new, that's why it's so tight. Okay, I'm using the red one here, so we are going to diagnose. Okay, scan. Oh no, wait. Exit. Let's go there on OBD2 checking. This is automatic one, because the one that we hit before is for cars. Okay, I used this one before when I was abroad working as a mechanic. Oh, great, it's working, processing. 29-bit. So it's showing the MIL status, DTC in this ECU. Readiness completed, readiness not completed. Readiness completed 1, readiness supported 9. Data stream. Wow, it has data stream. Ignition spark, okay.